trying to make a sister feel low. You know all of that got to go. Now everybody knows there's exceptions to this rule. I don't be getting mad when we playing this cool, but don't you be calling me out my name. I bring rep to those who disrespect me like a dame. That's why I'm talking. One day I was walking down the block, I had my cut off shorts on right, cause it was crazy hot. I walked past these dudes when they passed me. One of them felt my booty, he was nasty. I turned around red, somebody was catching the rat. Then the little one said, and laughed. Since he was with his boys, he tried to break fly. I punched him dead in his eyes. Said, "Who you calling a bitch?"
Never play me, cause I'm such a fucking lady. 3 is all about me. I don't wanna